Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. I know you all must be missing school, teachers and friends, right? I welcome you all to the next Environment Online session, and today I am going to teach you a new lesson, that is our country. Children, can you all see this? What is it? Yes, it's the map of India. It's the map of India. Which country do we live in? We live in India. It lies in the continent of Asia. India lies in the continent of Asia. It extends from Kashmir to the north and Kanyakumari to the south. And in west we have Gujarat and in east we have West Bengal. Children, do you all know which is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi is the capital of India. People who belong to India are known as Indians, and we all should be proud of being an Indian. India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan, right? The huge Himalayas are the crown of India. India is a country with different people speaking different languages, celebrating different festivals, with different customs and having different food habits. There are crores of people living in India. There are many places of worship, like the Hindus, they go to the temple, the Sikhs go to the Gurudwaras, the Christians go to the church, and the Muslims, they go to mosque. So there are different religions going to different places of worship. People of different regions speak different languages, like there are many languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Tamil, so on and so forth. So therefore, India is a very big nation and it is known for its unity in diversity. Though we all are different, but still we all are one. We live all together. Now let me come to the next topic, that is national symbols. Now let's come to national symbols. Children, can you see this? What is it? Yes, it's a national flag. All countries have their national symbols. So the national symbol of our country is a national flag. Let me sing out a song for you. Orange, white and green, orange, white and green, orange, white and green with a chakra in between. Oh, it's a national flag. It's a national flag. We are proud of our national flag. Okay, now in this I have mentioned three colors. Which are they? Orange, white and green color. Now these three colors are called the tricolors. They are also known as tricolors. If you observe the national flag, you will find the chakra, you will find the wheel which is in blue color. This is the Ashoka chakra. And you know children, how many spokes does it have? Yes, it has 24 spokes. Children, each color, the orange, white and green, they signify a special meaning. They have a special meaning. Like the orange color stands for courage. Now, you must be knowing that our soldiers who stand on the borders, they fight with courage and they fight with great courage and stop the enemies from attacking our country. Then we have the white color. The white color stands for purity, that is peace, and the pigeon is the symbol for purity. Pigeon is a symbol for peace. Then we have the green color. The green color stands for prosperity. Like whenever you are traveling, children, you see lovely fields, green fields. Now this is possible when the farmers, they work hard, they prosper their land. Same way children, prosperity means something successful in whatever you do. So the farmers grow their crops and prosper. Then we have the chakra, the wheel. The wheel stands for justice, that is Satyamev Jayate, meaning truth always triumphs. Now Children, do you know the national anthem? Who has written Jana Gana Mana? Yes, it is Rabindranath Tagore who wrote Jana Gana Mana. And Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. A national flower. A national flower is the lotus. National emblem. The national emblem has 4 lions facing towards the four directions. Okay, and we have it written Satyamev Jayate. You can observe it on the note. You can observe it on the currency right in the corner. There is the national emblem, and also on the rupee there is the symbol of national emblem. Our national bird, the peacock, is our national bird, and our national animal is the tiger. Apart from these, there are other national symbols like the national tree. Banyan tree is the national tree. Our national fruit is mango. National game, hockey is our national game. In earlier times, kings and queens ruled over India. Then we were ruled by the Britishers. Children, you all know who freed us from the Britishers? Yes, it was Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was the one to free us from the British rule. He was a great Indian leader and a freedom fighter, and because of his great sacrifice, we celebrate Independence Day, which falls on 15th of August. Can you tell me the real name of Mahatma Gandhi? Yes, his real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and we all call him as Bapu. He is also known as Bapu. So children, now in the school, who is the head of the school? Yes, the principal. So the head of our country is the president. Who was the president, the first president of our country? Yes, it was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Can you tell me, children, who is our present president? Yes, it's Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the present prime minister? Yes, it's Mr. Narendra Modi. So children, I hope you all must have understood the lesson. So children, we meet next time with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you.